Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. 1. Which hormone is responsible for the stimulation of milk production in females? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Oxytocin. D. Prolactin. Answer: D. Prolactin. Explanation: Prolactin is a hormone secreted by the pituitary gland that stimulates milk production in the mammary glands after childbirth. 2. What is the role of the acrosome in sperm cells? A. Movement. B. Energy production. C. Protection of the nucleus. D. Penetration of the egg. Answer: D. Penetration of the egg. Explanation: The acrosome is a cap-like structure on the head of sperm that contains enzymes to help penetrate the outer layers of the egg during fertilization. 3. The hormone responsible for inducing ovulation in females is A. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. B. Progesterone. C. Estrogen. D. Luteinizing hormone, LH. Answer: D. Luteinizing hormone, LH. Explanation: A surge in luteinizing hormone, LH, triggers ovulation, leading to the release of a mature egg from the ovary. 4. Which of the following is a function of the placenta during pregnancy? A. Production of sperm. B. Secretion of FSH. C. Nourishment of the developing embryo. D. Digestion of food. Answer: C. Nourishment of the developing embryo. Explanation: The placenta facilitates the exchange of nutrients, gases, and wastes between the mother and the developing embryo, and secretes hormones to maintain pregnancy. 5. In spermatogenesis, how many functional sperm are produced from one primary spermatocyte? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer: D. 4. Explanation: One primary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis to produce 4 functional sperm cells. 6. Which of the following contraceptive methods works by preventing the fertilization of the egg? A. Condom. B. Oral contraceptive pill. C. Intrauterine device, IUD. D. Tubectomy. Answer: A. Condom. Explanation: Condoms prevent fertilization by blocking the entry of sperm into the female reproductive tract. 7. The primary function of the corpus luteum is to A. Produce eggs. B. Secrete progesterone. C. Facilitate fertilization. D. Prevent menstruation. Answer: B. Secrete progesterone. Explanation: The corpus luteum forms after ovulation and secretes progesterone, which helps maintain the uterine lining and supports pregnancy. 8. What is the significance of the amniotic fluid during pregnancy? A. Nutrient supply. B. Shock absorption and protection. C. Hormonal regulation. D. Oxygen supply. Answer: B. Shock absorption and protection. Explanation: Amniotic fluid surrounds the fetus in the womb, acting as a cushion to protect it from external shocks and providing a stable environment for development. 9. In which part of the female reproductive system does fertilization typically occur? A. Uterus. B. Vagina. C. Cervix. D. Fallopian tube. Answer: D. Fallopian tube. Explanation: Fertilization usually occurs in the fallopian tube, where the sperm meets the egg. 10. The hormone that plays a key role in the initiation of labor is A. Oxytocin. B. Progesterone. C. Estrogen. D. Prolactin. Answer: A. Oxytocin. Explanation: Oxytocin is the hormone that stimulates uterine contractions during labor and also plays a role in milk ejection after childbirth. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.